Hi, I'm Kavina Brown, the Marketing and Community Relations Specialist for University Housing Services. Welcome to Housing at San Jose State. Our housing complex is situated on the southeast end of campus, which is great because then all of our students are together in one big community. Washburn Hall is an all-freshman hall. It's a 3-story building that does not have elevators, although it does have air conditioning. Washburn Hall has traditional style rooms where it's 2 beds, 1 bed on one side, 1 on the other. It also has triple spaces where there'll be bunk beds on one side and then 1 single bed on the opposite side. Joe West Hall is a 12-story freshman hall, affectionately referred to as one of the classics. It has single, double, and triple bed spaces. Joe West Hall houses all of our themed communities, which give you the opportunity to live with other students studying the same major as you. We have Arts Village, Black Scholars Floor, Rainbow Village, and many others. Campus Village Building C, better known as the Suites, offers suite-style living with 8 people in 1 suite. It's a great environment if you have an intensive academic major where you need a quiet place to study. However, if you're looking for a more social experience, some of our other halls might be a better fit. Our newest building, Campus Village 2, has 10 floors and offers double and triple occupancy. Campus Village Building B is our premier building for upper division students. It offers 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, and 5-bedroom apartments, as well as studio apartments. Every apartment has a full kitchen as well as a full bathroom. For our upper division and graduate students, we offer 2-bedroom apartments with full kitchens and full bathrooms in Campus Village Building A. Every building has its own laundry facility. Every residence hall also has a communal kitchen, so if there's a recipe that you loved making at home, you do have the ability to make it while you're staying here at San Jose State. There's not a lot of extra space to store items in our residence halls, so you should only bring the items that you're going to need. All of our beds are twin extra long, so you'll need to make sure that you purchase twin extra long bedding when you're moving into our residence halls. For more information on what to bring, please check the housing website. Meal plans are required for all first-time freshmen. However, they are not required for upper division students. So if you are living in Campus Village Building A or Campus Village Building B, you are not required to purchase a meal plan. However, meal plans are available to all students living on campus. While we do everything we can to ensure roommate matching, there might be times where you're not paired with the person that you had hoped to live with. There is a room swap process that happens 2 weeks after move-in. Keep an eye out for information in your residence hall. All communities have rules, and the Spartan housing community is no different. Our license agreement as well as housing policies can be found online. While we understand that some students can't live without their car, we suggest that you only bring your car if it's absolutely necessary. Parking is limited and it can be costly. So if you have to bring your car, check out the housing website for more information on parking permits. In housing, we love to stress community, convenience, and value. As far as community, where else can you make so many friends in one place? Convenience, where else can you spring from bed and be in your class in a matter of 5 minutes? And there isn't any better value in Silicon Valley than student housing at San Jose State. So come and join us. We know you're going to feel right at home.